Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and welcome to Sun Room. Today we are going to learn about the EV3 tracker robot. Right now, we are going to use the FL family-based kit to build everything, and then from now on, we are going to learn the sensors for each specific thing. And this robot can be found on the Lego Mindstorms page on the software that you download to your computer. For the robot tracker, it is using a very specific medium motor in the front to use the spinning motor arms, and it's using tracks as its main movement. It's using large motors to power those tracks. Now here are the little programming tips on how to actually make this robot move, and all of these can be found on the Lego Mindstorms app. But right now we actually see this particular medium motor attachment. We use a type of gun or ball shooter function for this medium motor. So for the first two, we will not be using sensors, and next we can show you the actual PowerPoint slides of how the software works for this. Here's some demonstration. As you can see, it shoots and then it moves, and it moves using the large motor, and it continues to shoot using the medium motor. And thank you for everyone watching this video. And we ask you to press the subscribe button and like button, and we'll see you next time in the next video.